Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail profile picture on Android device. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. To get started, first of all, launch the Gmail application on your device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on your inbox page, now from this interface, head over to the upper left corner. There you will get three horizontal line icon. Tap on there, a pop-up menu will pop up, and at the very bottom of this box you will get settings icon. Tap on there, then you will be taken to settings page. Now select the account that you would like to change the profile picture. Now again tap on manage your Google account under account section. Now from this interface again tap on personal info from the menu bar on your interface next to home option. Once you're taken to this interface, scroll down a bit and under basic info you will get an option as profile picture. If you already have an existing profile picture, you will see your profile picture there. If not, then you can simply add a profile picture. In order to do so, tap on the profile icon. Now tap on add profile picture. There you can simply choose any of these illustrations from this interface. If not, you can also select the photo from your device photos or Google Photos as well. So go to device photos. Now tap on browse or take a photo. And there you will get two options as a camera and media picker. If you would like to capture photo from your camera, tap on camera, or else you can also select from your device. For that, tap on media picker, then select the photo that you would like to upload. Now you can either crop and rotate. If you want to skip this, then tap on next. Now you can customize your audience as well. If you tap on visible to anyone, there you get to customize and choose who can see your profile picture. Once you're done, tap on done or tap on cancel. Now tap on save as profile picture, and after you do, your profile picture will get uploaded. And that's how you change Gmail profile picture on Android. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.